Best insurance tips for Uber drivers. Some states have minimum auto insurance liability requirements for all drivers. If you want to use your car to make some extra money with a rideshare service like Uber, you may need extra coverage. Laws in some states require minimum liability for passenger death, personal injury, or property damage. These limits are higher when offering pre-arranged rides than they are for private drivers. After all, you have increased risks when you invite more people into your vehicle on a regular basis. What are the best insurance tips for Uber drivers? First, always follow the law and get sufficient coverage to meet your state's rules. Second, recognize that your risk of liability and personal injury lawsuits go up when you offer rides to strangers. However, you should also know that Uber has its own automobile liability insurance for drivers in the United States. It's important that you look into all your options before heading out to make some money with this popular service. The best way to succeed as a rideshare driver is to contact a local trusted choice independent insurance agent. They can provide the information you need to protect yourself and every person you drive to their destination. Be independent. Go independent.